about the housing for Disney Professional Internships. Just like on the college program, they do offer housing for Disney Professional Interns. However, it is a little bit different, and I'm gonna say I think it's even a little bit better than college program housing. So the apartment complex that Disney Professional Interns live in is Falcon Square. Now Falcon Square Apartments, unlike Disney College Program housing, is nestled inside a community. So I am standing right now in Independence. Independence is an extremely patriotic neighborhood here in Winter Garden, Florida, which is actually north of Magic Kingdom. So you're about 10 minutes north of Magic Kingdom, 20 minutes from Disney Springs. Independence is very much like living in a small town. Since you're in a community, you are nestled in with actual families. There are families that live around you. There are different kinds of homes. There are townhouses. There are single family homes. There are even mansions here at Independence. So in this video, I'm gonna give you an overview of what Disney Professional Internship Housing is like. We're gonna see an apartment tour of what the Falcon Square apartments look like. We're gonna go over what life is like here at living at Independence, from the recreation, the clubhouses, all the amenities you can get by living here in Independence. All right, are we all ready? Let's go! Woo! And welcome to Falcon Square. Welcome to the apartment complex for Disney Professional Interns. And lucky for us, thanks to one of my friends, we are able to go into one of these apartment buildings and see what the apartments look like here at Falcon Square. So let's go. All right, let's go inside. We'll do a quick overview of the apartment. So first of all, this is the laundry over here. We have a little dining nook. Here's the kitchen. There's one of the bedrooms back there. Here's the living room. There is a balcony. There's always a TV. And then here is another bathroom and one of the other bedrooms. There is about 200 professional interns that live here at Falcon Square. That means there's about 50 apartments. Every apartment, although the layout is a little bit different for each apartment, it is all 2 bedrooms with double occupancy, and every bedroom has its own bathroom. So we'll start off with the living room over here. I would say that apartments here are a bit nicer than they are back for college program housing. For example, that is an Echo Dot. Every apartment here at Falcon Square has an Echo Dot. Here is the balcony. You can see a little bit of Independence. You can tell it's a Falcon Square apartment because there are little orange foldable chairs out there. It does come with a vacuum and TV, which comes with cable. Here is the kitchen. What's cool about Falcon Square is that you have valet trash. So you can just leave your trash outside and someone will come pick it up. Like back in college program housing, there are some dishware that is provided for you. It comes with a toaster. You have a coffee maker. Lots of storage, and over here we have a pantry. It goes pretty deep. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. So let's go into the first bedroom. As you can see, everything in this apartment has come furnished. I'll give you a brief overview of what the bedroom looks like. This is the smaller of the bedrooms, but it's pretty good size. So all of these beds come here with the apartment, and we have these dressers that also come with the apartment. So they're pretty spacious. And here's the closet. So let's take a look inside the closet. This is a pretty big closet considering you have to use it for 2 people. So here's the closet, and it goes a little bit further back on the sides. Additionally, every bedroom has a fan in it, a ceiling fan, and also comes with a lamp. There also is a separate bathroom, which I guess is also supposed to be used for guests as well. Hello, here is the bathroom. The bath rug also comes with the apartment. We have a medicine cabinet and a shower. This is a shower and bathtub. And here is a closet for you to store your toiletries and towels and such. So this is the master. This is the biggest bathroom of them all because there's an ensuite in it. And then over here, we have the ensuite bathroom. So there are 2 closets on each side, which is pretty nice. So every person gets their own closet. Let's open them up. So here's one closet. And over here will be the other closet. And this closet is a bit bigger than the other closet. So here's a brief overview of the bathroom. What's different about this one is that the bathtub and the shower are separate. So here we have the bathtub, there's a toilet, and we have a shower. And finally, one of the best parts about this apartment is the laundry. Right by the front door, we have the beautiful laundry. You get a washer, you get a dryer, you even get an ironing board. You get a broom, You get a Swiffer. You'll get another broom. You have dustpans up there, irons. And what's really nice about Falcon Square, which is different from college program housing, is that you get housekeeping. They come every other week on the same day. They email you letting you know when they're coming. They clean the bathrooms for you. They vacuum for you. They'll wipe down the kitchen counters. They just want to do your dishes, but it's a very, very nice service. All right, and that wraps up our apartment tour of here in a Falcon Square apartment. Let's go check out what the other offerings are here at Falcon Square. Independence is home to 2 clubhouses. There's one which is closer to Falcon Square and one that is in the main area of Independence. Each of the clubhouses has a lounge area where you can chill, read a book, watch TV. It also has a printer station and a computer station, which all residents are allowed to use. And then they also have spa water, which is very fancy, and an espresso. That's how you know it's fancy. You can also go into the clubhouses to play arcade games. There's even a tiny slide, and you can even play Xbox One, play billiards. There's a lot of game options in there. There's also a dance studio because they offer Zumba and other recreation options inside the clubhouses. Yeah. Every clubhouse has its own gym for you to go work out, which all residents can use. There's 2 pools in Independence, one at each clubhouse. And they have their own jacuzzis, which is very nice. And there's also a barbecue station where a lot of professional interns actually like to go barbecue, especially during the holidays. Here at Independence, there's actually a lot of options for recreation. So right now, I am standing on the lake they have here. You're actually in a nature preserve when you're here at Independence. Unlike college program housing, which is very much in an urban area, you're in a community. There are birds everywhere. There are bunnies. Additionally, there are nature trails for you to go walk on. They're a great place to sit and ponder and, well, watch your favorite YouTube channels. There's also parks for children, or if you want to act like a child like me, you can go to the park as well. There's also tennis courts for you to check out and also basketball courts out here. And that is my overview of Disney Professional Internship Housing. I hope you enjoyed it. We went over what it's like living in Falcon Square Apartments and what it's like living here in the Independence community and all the amenities they have to offer here. If you have any questions about what it's like to live here in Disney Professional Internship Housing, comment down below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. See ya!